Hey, good morning, Patriots. This is Mr. Short here. Today is Monday, March the 1st, and I want to talk to you real quick about what we're going to be doing this week. This week, you guys are going to be doing a computer science careers project, and what this is about, you guys are going to be looking for a career in computer science. It could be anything from computer programming to something like game and art and game design. Anything dealing with computer science is what you're going to be focusing on. So you can pick the career that you want to use. Okay, you're going to be creating a 10-slide Google or 10-slide Google slide. Okay, or PowerPoint. Okay, the requirements are obviously the 10 slides. You need to have at least one picture in there, at least one picture. I would like for you to use transitions. And I'm looking for correct spelling and grammar. Okay, so here's a breakdown of what I want the slides to be. I want a title slide that's got the name of the career and your name on it. I would like a slide that talks about the salary, how much someone in that career would make. A slide that talks about the job outlook or the growth. How can you grow with this career in the future? The education requirements would be another slide. The things that you like and dislike about the career, some interesting or fun facts about the career, the responsibilities, what are you responsible for doing in this career, the schedule, what would a typical day look like in this career. And I'd like for you to have a slide of three similar occupations, and then a slide about uniforms, if there's any uniforms or anything special that they may wear. Okay. Feel free to add any other pictures that relate to this career, so you can put as many pictures in there as you want, but it is a minimum of 10 slides. Okay. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email, and I'll be glad to answer those questions. Have fun with this. This is your project, so it can be whatever you want it to be. Okay. You pick the career, you find the information for the career. It can be whatever you want it to be, so have fun with this project, okay? All right, that's really it for this week, guys. You're going to be working on this project with computer science careers. If you have any questions, like I said, shoot me an email. Okay, you guys have a great day and a great week. Thanks.